Welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to talk about an innovative solution for growing peas and inviting fruits, the galvanized steel tower. This sturdy and versatile structure offers a range of benefits and features that make it an excellent choice for vertical gardening. Let's explore why the galvanized steel tower is a game changer for your garden. First, let's discuss the benefits of using the galvanized steel tower for growing peas and inviting fruits. One of the primary advantages is maximizing your garden space. By growing vertically, you can make the most of limited square footage, allowing you to grow more plants in a smaller area. Galvanized steel towers are known for their exceptional durability. Made from galvanized steel, these structures are resistant to rust, corrosion, and weather damage. This means they can withstand the elements and provide reliable support for your plant season after season. Another great feature of galvanized steel towers is their versatility. They can be customized to accommodate various inviting fruits, including cucumbers, melons, and squash. With adjustable heights and sturdy trellis panels, you can train your plants to climb and thrive in an organized and efficient manner. When it comes to the health and productivity of your plants, proper airflow and sunlight exposure are crucial. Galvanized steel towers offer excellent ventilation, allowing air to circulate freely around the plants. This reduces the risk of diseases caused by excessive moisture and promotes optimal growth. Additionally, the vertical structure ensures that each plant receives ample sunlight, maximizing photosynthesis and leading to healthier, more vigorous growth. Harvesting can be a breeze with galvanized steel towers. The vertical arrangement of plants allows for easy access to fruits and peas, eliminating the need to bend or stoop down. This not only saves your back, but also makes the harvesting process more efficient and enjoyable. In addition to the practical benefits, it offers an aesthetic appeal to your garden. The vertical growth creates an eye-catching focal point, adding height and dimension to your outdoor space. It's a perfect solution for those looking to create a visually stunning garden. Maintaining a galvanized steel tower is relatively simple. Regularly inspect the structure for any signs of wear and tear and promptly address any issues. Additionally, pruning and training your plants will ensure they grow in a controlled manner and remain properly supported. In summary, the galvanized steel tower provides numerous benefits for growing peas and inviting fruits, from maximizing space and increasing airflow to improving sunlight exposure and simplifying harvest. The durable and versatile structure is a game changer for vertical gardening. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy vertical gardening.